Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to download your CMAT Admit Card 2026 and what you must check before the exam day to avoid any last minute issues. Now let's see why the CMAT Admit Card is important. The CMAT Admit Card is a mandatory document for entry into the exam center. It contains important details like your exam date, time, center address, and personal information. You must carry a printed admit card along with a valid photo ID for the identity verification. Now, when will the CMAT Admit Card release? The CMAT Admit Card is usually released 4 or 5 days before the exam. Since the CMAT 2026 exam is scheduled for the 25th of January, the candidates can expect the admit card to be available around the 28th of January 2026. Now let's see how to download CMAT Admit Card. The first step is to visit the official CMAT website. And always ensure you are on the official NTA portal and click on the CMAT 2026 Admit Card or download hall ticket link, as you can see on the screen. Next, log in using your registered application number and your date of birth in the correct format as shown. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and double check your details before submitting. Multiple incorrect attempts may temporarily lock your account. Now after logging in, click on the Download Admit Card option. Carefully verify your name, photograph, exam center, date and timing, and print at least 2 clear copies on A4 size paper for exam day and a backup. If the information is incorrect, it may lead to your disqualification. So make sure that you are verifying your details carefully. Now let's discuss the important exam day guidelines. On the exam day, carry a printed admit card and a valid original photo ID such as your Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport or voter ID. Reach the exam center at least 60 or 90 minutes early. Entry will not be allowed without the proper documents. Let's see what are the safety guidelines. The candidates must follow all health, safety and exam guidelines issued by the NTA. Make sure to read all the instructions mentioned on your admit card carefully. Let us discuss what are the common issues that candidates face. If you forget your login details, use the Forgot Application Number option on the website. In case of missing photo or signature, please re-download the admit card. And if you are still facing the issues or errors, you can try a different browser or the device. And if the problem does not get resolved, you should contact the NTA help desk. You can call or send them an email during the working hours to get quick support and guidance. We hope that this video has helped you understand how to download your CMAT Admit Card 2026 smoothly. Best of luck for your exam and stay focused on your preparation.